Osana waine Turang chico y la labis. Wana turang tu kau. Nongor baru turang ratu.
Wah, oi.
Turang chico na Prime Minister. May lilin no tapo no may bisi. Kima mi maro vale puna kadi. Chico ngona nomni chico na single level ko.
Na boleh.
We love it chicken do na kana kamna. Bide chico na ma we tokani Davuti na dana the Fiji High Commissioner, Gold Coast Airport, Queensland Government, Experience Gold Coast, Tourism Fiji, watana kila na PM's office. Kana kamnang. We love it chico matamili no talanga. Naka kamni ka tumay bichi. Burmasanga wana maramaro tindiketi. Matintu wekai na towat. Nungu bundu e kumbun. Wana bundu walang pikam. Kana kam na malabet we kendo na tu.
Na boleh.
Abnata wali usar no mnichi misang buluna. Kimami maro wali una wekani di. Bisa talmendo na katu mambo. Sana may mas. Inadangin doon. Labing garabin wanga ko Fiji Airways. Ano kaya na malilid. At tumatan doon sa listagan, lakani lakmay. Kamu na tumber si mutam do sa hotel ilay.
Alim naka.
Iya pasi chibo bidi chuna kaya akin. May dire bichuki na wanga buka, na wanga sa takos ramay. Akalim na babi na kakin na galong Ini kalau bikin na single level ko. Manda daw tatalaban na ko ni base ki chuma ni single ko. Kimami italo ta chuna num chura rango. Na ni mai baba ni na. Ni reni toron don ngoni na ni chuki. Mai vanti teki na family. Ona nando tu wakani watike no ko Australia. Na tuini kamunanga. Sa nungi tatau talchunga. Sa kerichu. Me mauchi ko me day. Ano to bonongo kena state ngo Queensland. Sa me dola talen dono.
Ina.
Katumba bo ngelak ni melako ibichi. Wera talanga kanto me ibichi nongol mai. Tosa daga nombula, tosa daga nobuli. Sanga dola kena katumba. O kena tamata me labeta na kena kamuna. Na tamil sura. Balam chico na wasani kamuna na de rebi. Mengalong kalobi, watam ber chico na tutu batura kena muratu.
Yeah.
Gursaka.
Na u kadiba o cerebro nga awan kamuna ba. Amasaraw ni bunua. Aba ni bunua ngai. Ai de rebi ene kalkolo bi bawa. Amuna nga seregu mena benua. Ina mani olu kumbuna perle orang bale buni balu di kamba. Orang pasanga perle maram bale ru undri orang buni balu. Nambuni maseba namani gawan toba. Tuka muna nga cerebro nga menetipil ni Biluag ni Gold Coast Airport. Ragen na Rangele sa Tambolean Arnab. Halibwa pamini binaka, halibwa roba, halibwa birwa towa no bunbi pamini mine. Sama yago igwe na single ni huwa tunga singa ali ak. Ina na mai tebu tunga dodo bu ni bekrab. Na krabin amun salnya ngilus. Mai bi ikopos. Nga singa na ngumula na bindindre. Tunga nga birwa singa na makani aku siraw na may tola biru tungan raw ni be bau ni be karabi na raw hinaw tabi osagi sakali bo babu ni bina ya do buli may mi amma ato ni be karabi meno to bunwa yan na onra ni bolo ni be liu agi sa oki al mo bakte agi na babu ni bina ni yan na marui unga au tai obo yan te bala tina babu ni mukan tunga babalela ya kau bulu me bunwa may masungani na kay bakalonga agini ka pa igo urang to kam na nga urang sa bakragi na bunwa nang korbarua pero lay urang ratu na winabau kinanga na maambur sa tambale sa tambur ngay naman ko nabunda urang presidente kinanga na ambana udosar erawa ka nabuni ka karabi karabarun kana runda urang ay asame karaboy sakali mo babani binakam ni agin na tunga man singabu sarna benanga tamali ni sinubwa ya ako ni pakawal agin kagi ay nga belo man ni wa nga hari ay wal ni beka ako am to kamu na urang sabo na gini lo malay isubu may kan beba kalunga to kalau nga ay urang to kalau nga ay katon be karabi kalau nga Fiji Airways kalau nga bulu na Gold Coast Airport mana pakalib men kay awsegi ang ako mae mana
ina do na boleh
yang tu sana orang gua boleh tu kamu na sa boleh awadan na single ni gua ay ready ni ota oli phone be bakal ni mayo lala saya kalau birungan ni benua kalau birungan ni banyak bola-bola ni Gold Coast Airport ni single benua oke ay kiti mena kay rongoda oke matulu mena ngapa mena ka kun tungai rongoda gino sa mehenan ra wo barang ay sa ni rongoda tu
na boleh
waroro ay mata ngam na le
na Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the media, Mr. Rabuka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I once again acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and future. Today marks a significant milestone in yet strengthening Fiji's relationship with Queensland and Australia. The arrival of Fiji Airways flight FJ981 from Nadi represents far more than just the commencement of a new air service. It represents the opening of a new gateway of opportunity, deepening economic, social, and people-to-people connectivity between Fiji and one of Australia's most dynamic regions. This development is firmly aligned with Fiji's national development priorities under Fiji Vision 2050, which seeks to build a more competitive, inclusive, and outward-looking economy anchored in strong international partnerships and expanded market access. We acknowledge the President of the Fiji Society, or our Fijian group here in Queensland, Mr. Tidolo, This flight this morning also reflects the renewed and elevated Vuvale Partnership. Prime Minister Albanese and I started calling it the elevated Vuvale Partnership under the leadership of High Commissioner Amrit. He coined this very good Gujarati word, elevated Vuvale Partnership. It deepens our cooperation, the cooperation between Fiji and Australia, and covers trade, investment, tourism, labor mobility, sustainable development. The Gold Coast is a natural economic partner, not only for Fiji, but also for the Pacific. It stands at one of Australia's most dynamic growth regions. As the country's sixth largest city and one of its fastest growing urban centers, it is characterized by strong population growth, significant infrastructure investment, a vibrant tourism economy, and rising international profile, further strengthened by preparations for the Brisbane 2032 Olympic and Paralympic Games. For Fiji, this makes the Gold Coast a natural and strategic partner. Its strong outbound leisure market aligns seamlessly with Fiji's tourism offerings, ranging from family holidays and short breaks to adventure tourism and surfing, wellness, and luxury experiences. At its core, this new route is about connecting opportunities. It connects families, it connects businesses, it connects investors, students, and communities. It connects demand with supply and market with producers and ideas with investment. It connects Fiji more directly to one of Australia's most important consumer and tourism markets. Importantly, it eliminates unnecessary travel barriers, allowing passengers to fly directly between the Gold Coast and Fiji within hours without transiting through other Australian cities, but don't tell them that. This improved convenience translates into real economic value, greater travel demand, increased tourism flows, and stronger commercial engagement. Tourism remains the cornerstone of Fiji's economy and a critical driver of inclusive growth. I said this morning before we took off from Nadi. It supports thousands of Fijian families. It sustains small businesses and underpins livelihood across hospitality, transport, retail, agriculture, and broader services sectors. This new service will add more than 53,000 additional seats annually between Fiji and the Gold Coast market. This is significant, particularly when considered alongside the nearly 500,000 Australian visitors who travelled to Fiji last year, Australia remaining Fiji's largest and most important source market for tourists. These seats are not just capacity. They represent opportunity, families reconnecting, tourists exploring, businesses expanding, and communities strengthening ties. This new route further reinforces Fiji's strategic position as the aviation hub of the Pacific. Through Nadi International Airport, passengers from the Gold Coast gain seamless access to Fiji's domestic destinations, as well as onward connections across the Pacific, onto North America and beyond. Fiji Airways continues to offer efficient one-stop connectivity to major global destinations, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, Vancouver, and Honolulu. This growing network strengthens Fiji's role as a critical connection between the Pacific and the global economy, fully aligned with our Vision 2050 and its ambition of greater global integration. I wish to acknowledge and commend Fiji Airways for its continued leadership and strategic vision in expanding Fiji's global connectivity. Under the leadership of Paul Skura, who's behind me here, and his team, Fiji Airways continues to elevate its standing as a world-class carrier and a proud ambassador of Fiji internationally. I also extend appreciation to Queensland Airports Limited, the Queensland Government, Tourism Fiji, and all stakeholders who have worked collaboratively to bring this service to reality. This achievement reflects what is possible when governments, airlines, airports, and tourism partners align behind a shared vision of connectivity and growth. Today's inaugural flight, or inaugural service, represents more than just connectivity. It represents and shows confidence. Confidence in Fiji's economic direction under Vision 2050. Confidence in Queensland's continued growth and global outlook. And confidence in the strength and resilience of the Fiji-Australia Vuvale Partnership. As we look ahead, may this new route serve as a bridge of opportunities, bringing people together to enjoy the beauty and peace that our two countries offer, expanding trade and investment, strengthening tourism flows, and deepening the bonds between our two nations. May it contribute meaningfully to shared prosperity for Fiji, Queensland, and Australia. And may it continue to demonstrate the power of connectivity, that such connections create new opportunities to building more prosperity for shared futures. God bless you all.